Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just continue unpacking on the Sonzo Mayor's case before they went to recess on it Friday, the stuff that they were saying in that court. Before I tell you guys, I've just seen something coming, Jay, like on my things, and then I'm reading it. I'm just like, about this prophet. I'm just like, as about to buy a kodoba. And someone was even saying, Uti, who busy this prophet saying stuff that's gonna come back and bite him, ne? Uti. Baningi abantu aba involved in the case kaSenzo Meyiwa, and politicians are also involved there, obviously, to protect this guy lo wabathi Brigadier Gininda, and prominent figures, right, bazohamba emhlabeni, and khona abanye bazolanda uSenzo Meyiwa ngathi ayiwena. You can't be saying izinto ezinkulu kanti into esabisa kanje. I'm just like, so this is why someone was saying, hayi bo le prophet ayiyekele lezi zinto because ayibuzoba nenkinga. Ngitshele on some podcast nanguwena nobuso bakho buvelile ukhuluma indaba ezigaxa engaka, so ngene enkingeni honestly. So let's just talk about advocate Zithulele Nxumalo. Guys, this guy doesn't say much, hey, in court. Unama sentence like 1 or 2. He never says a lot. The other day he even made a mistake when he was telling my lord, or should I say the courts, go by about jurats sometimes, just saying, okay, I'm standing up for umuntu amina who accused number 4, no accused number 5. But you know, Uguti, he couldn't even remember accused number 4's name. I was just like, normally can't be serious right now. He needs to be focused, this guy. But he is actually focused, eh? So, like I'm saying, they're very, very dangerous, eh? Nxumalo, once he stands up, the stuff he says, oh my gosh, I'm just like, this guy. You feel nje Nxumalo, the way I see it in Zulu, I will say, ubemgenga straight. Ukubona umuntu ukuthi akuzume, ungalindele. Those are crazy things. Awamngena. Uyabona one thing go advocate Zithulele Nxumalo. Very polite, eh? Very, very polite and sneaky though. Very sneaky. And umlisa ngalesa phina yase ENCA. Guys, labantu babhizi bafana ENCA in their stuff. Kungenapho ukuthi ENCA yathatha ivideo yalaba bawuthi beme ngaphandle uzandile kumalo beno longotwala. Abangeni nowhere those people. You can just take a video. Angithi you work for a media company. That's your job. No SABC. Imsebenzi yabo le no News Africa. Newsroom Africa. Hayi. Jike uNxumalo athi ngifuna leyo suphina ke wena baloyi before I even finish here. Hayi kazi baloyi azini ubelangazi. Angithi uyakwazi nokutshela abantu ukuthi listen here. Yabo lo mbhede lo owenzile for yourself. Unama roses abunile. You lie on it. Wake washo njalo phela, but he didn't say ama roses abunile. That one is just my own version. Yes, edela. Ilokhuzane aromates. Ihlangene nama spices ababa kakhulu. But I'm just like, uZithulele Nxumalo zakhona baloyi angazi kahle. Lokubona ngihle lapha ekonini ngithule. Zithulele guys was busy throwing jabs at Baloyi and Brigadier Gininda. Uthi kanti lo saphina ngizokunikeza yona asikhathi sokulala nami nje sesiphelile. Hayi uGininda masuyibuka into yakhe fanele actually thina as South Africans simhlanyele uGininda, to be honest with you. You need to stop. Laba abantu baboshiwe la. Ngithi you saw the top cop. I'm still gonna make a video about him. Uboshiwe. Guys, you cannot continue with the Popololo and rule us as South Africa and tell us who we are without our consent. One person, ngeke phela sirolo umuntu oyi-1 ubusy uNxumalo uyamtshela uhlale la mina uMaphisa accused wami number 4 my client ushuka nje wayengekho kuXolani Street kubuka Kelly Khumalo uthi hayi kodwa i-evidence ayisho njalo kube uyi-lead investigator ube-lead investigator after 4 years guys where even ayibo asikazi sizwe phela le thina besihlala ngobaloyi naku-TV masibuka ama-series awusikazi fanele ayithathwe investigate later on try no actually la abanye bahluleka, can you just help us out here? But hayibo guys, uzobe ukhuluma ngathi awume ngaphandle neKutlwanong Street seeing these boys running to the park. You know what I've always said about the thing of running to the park? I'm like, those people okuthiwa babonakala running to the park, to this day akazi babuke kuleyo park because it's lies. There's nothing like that. No one ran to the park, no one ran anywhere. No one actually came to that house. So uyamtshela ukuthi hayi no, mina uMaphisa uthi wayengekho lapho angikazi ukukhuluma ngani. Athi ubrigadier yakhe Ninda, no, that's not the right thing ngoba u-accuse number 1 no number 2 bayasho ukuthi bambona. Hayo guys, is there anything like that? They were with him. Hayi uKininda guys needs to be stopped. It's actually not funny anymore. Thi ene untanzi owasho njalo ukuthi he ran into the house with accused number 4. Akakazi untanzi ukuthi vela akhuluma into right ngoba umshaya ngithi. What do you expect from that? Uchubana nengane zabantu ishaya uzenza all sorts of things. Hayibo guys, okay that they're going to pay for this. This is like so crazy. Like I've always repeated ukuthi so many families guys ruined by like 2 to 3 people. Ngoba phela uAbsalom Zungula umuntu who's the main person ona beef nalabantu from kaNongoma. Kuzoba uZungu umntanakhe, kuzoba ubrigadier yakhe Ninda. Noba leyo ayifeel ukuthi uphakathi inside ngoba nayo wayivuma lento le from a-DPP ukuthi I know actually asulahlele u375 of the people that were in the house. It's concentrated with these boys. Esibaxoshile. They must just pay for things that they don't know. When they've said so many times guys ukuthi asimazi uSenzo Meyiwa like that to go and unalive the guy, you can't be serious. Guys, always remember ukuthi I've always said ukuthi uKininda njengamanje nokuthi is standing. Ume ngo accuse number 1 no accuse number 2. La ebashaya ebachuba benza all sorts of things ba forcing them basically to confess and sign. Guys, that's not fair, guys. As in Peter's you remember what I've always said about this case when it started. I was just like, guys, don't play with those things. Those are crazy things. And like I was saying this past week, actually, Uguti, the man he was doing good and they arresting when Masusu Bugel, Ubabokon, Usenzo Meyu, between Senzo Meyu, Ella Shona when they were teenage boys. Those people are not gonna be looking at you. You can't take accountability. They're on to you. And that whole thing of Brigadier Ninda always trying to link these 5 guys. Those people, you understand, I'm forced into one thing, and they're not. They were in different places at different times around the incident when it happened. And they did explain ukuthi abantu babekhamke edrobheni bayele Josh Koch benzani kunini ephinga uPinky Leviathan Lingam ukuthi what happened to these boys, their phones, where were they were not in first orders labantu when ubhisas forced babekhona angifuni nokwazi omukhulu ababashaya nomugano baba confessisa sabashasa like guys hayibo kusasho. And what's crazy is that uNomalo uyameka ubrigadier yakhe Ninda bekufanele nje amtshela ukuthi wena stop fabricating stuff like how Umnisi told. Ngizome ngime kancane ngoNxumalo, we gonna continue up ngoNxumalo futhi later. Vele lento lesisazoyigenca nathi senza ama pieces of what happened in that court, especially on Friday. Sazoyenza nje ama piece in paragraphs. Ngoba honestly guys, we need to support the Meyiwas. Yabona the Meyiwas have been through the most. Ungazi ukuthi nakhona esengenapha ama-politicians and other people who are involved la ngapho usibuya uzobe ehambe ebophisa uPatricia Mashale but angafiki. The mastermind uPatricia Mashale athi akafiki kodwa court umuntu uthumela ilawyer yakhe kodwa uthi mina ngihambe ngikhuluma ngaye kabi ngisho izinto. Those are facts, stuff that I know ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Ubhizi naye wayekhona lapha kaSenzo Meyiwa lo muntu wabonakala, but namhlanje hayi abafuna ukukhuluma ngobani bayasebenzisana hand in hand, these people, and it's a whole lot of them. It's a group of them. The fact that we've seen almost half, this is how I normally go on, half of SAPS coming to court. Crazy things like that, guys. What is SAPS doing at the court of Senzo Meyiwa's trial? Bafuna in those people because they were not in the house. One of the hogwash that has been going on with this case is like so crazy. Like I'm saying, am I dreaming? Is it a dream? Is it gonna stop? A dream guys. So thank you so much guys for your support. Ngithanda over.